Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you my room transformation. So me and my brother divided our bedroom in two parts. So one part is mine and one part is his. For me and my brother, we used to sleep like in a double bed. I don't know how do you call that in English, because in Italian we say letto a castello. I don't know why I said castello. Letto a castello. So we never had our privacy place. So we decided to divide our bedroom in two places. So my privacy space and his privacy space. But we didn't divide our bedroom with a real wall. But I'm gonna show you later. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you want. And you can also find me on Instagram, Alyxxndra, and if you want you can also follow me, but I'm not forcing you, just if you want. I don't know, even if it's small, my bedroom, I'm really happy because I've never had my space. So yeah, I'm excited to show you. So I used an app to see how we can organize our bedroom. So right now I'm editing my video and I noticed that I kept saying shelf instead of shelf. So okay. So if you hear me saying shelf, it's shelf. Okay. So this is the shelf that we use to divide our bedroom. It's not that tall. Wait, I'm gonna show you. So I'm 5 feet and it's almost tall like me. We didn't get taller one because if it will be taller, my brother's side is not gonna have too much light. It's gonna be dark. So this is my bed and I got this on IKEA for like 110 euros. The thing that I like about this bed is that you're gonna save a lot of space because there are two shelves. In this one, I put my jeans, my pants, and my shorts. And here, as you can see, you can't really open it because I put my table here. So I just moved my table so I can show you what I have here. I covered my clothes with this thing, and here I have like my summer stuffs and the things that I'm selling. So I don't really open this shelf that much. Okay, so for now, these are the only decorations that I have on my wall. I got this fake plant on IKEA for 7 euro. And this pot, this gold pot, for 2 euro, also on IKEA. And this dream catcher, my brother gave it to me when he went to the Philippines because I used to have like sleep paralysis a lot, like maybe 4 times a week. But I understood that it was because I used to sleep late, around 5, 6, 7 a.m. and that was making me feel anxious, so that's why I used to have sleep paralysis, but now I'm feeling better. fortunately. And this Alex, my good friends gave them to me for my birthday surprise party for my 20s, just this March. And wait, I'm gonna show you because maybe you can't see it. This little cutie, I found it on like a collaboration box, and it was really cute, so I decided to put it here also because they're matching their butt pink. These shells, I got them on Amazon for 20 euro, and they're really easy to put on the wall. So we have 3 plants here. They're called orchidae. I think they are dying, but my dad said that I don't have anything to worry because they're gonna grow other flowers. So I'm just gonna trust him because I'm not really good on taking care of plants. That's why I got a flake plant. Anyway, I got this little panda and this little white heart from my dad's work. He's a housekeeper of one building, and he keeps the stuffs that the people are giving him if they don't need them anymore, but they're still in good condition. And he keeps the stuffs that maybe we would like or we need. So yeah, I got a lot of things from his work, and I'm gonna show you later. These 2 containers, I got them on IKEA for like 8-9 euro if I'm not wrong, and I keep my school stuff. Here we have 6 containers, and I got them on IKEA for 4 euro each. And thanks to them, I saved a lot of space since my bedroom is really small. In these 2 containers, I have my stuffed toys that I don't want to throw away, but I don't also want to put on my bed because I already have few ones on my bed, like this one. This is little Timo. I play League of Legends, and I used to play this character a lot, and it's really cute. Anyway, so in these 2 containers, they are my brother's stuffs. Here I have my Polaroid box, my painted stuffs. Here I have mine and my brother's books. And in these 2 containers, I have like random stuffs like my documents, the charger that we don't use, or I don't know, really random stuff, my colors, everything. Okay, finally I'm gonna show you my table that I made. I was really excited to have one in my bedroom that I didn't even wait for my dad or my brother to help me. So I'm really proud of it. Anyway, I use my table for school and also for doing my makeup, and it really helps me to save a lot of space since I have a lot of makeup here. And in this shelf I have my glasses, my tissue, and the things that I use like almost every day. So this is my closet with a mirror, and my brother has the same one but black. We got it on IKEA for 129 each. And up here we have my 3 containers that I bought for 5 euro each on Casaviva. Here I have my sunglasses, my swimsuits, and here I have my hair extensions that I got for my collaborations. And here I have hats, berets, and this is the one that my boyfriend got me when we went to Disneyland on Los Angeles. I have my small bags up here, and I also have other bags there, as you can see, but I don't really use them. But I don't want to throw them away. I don't know, maybe my mom wants to send them on the Philippines, or I don't know. And here I have my jackets, and here this is the dress that I used for my 18th birthday. Okay, so I organized my tops by colors. So here I have the black ones, gray, white, blue, violet, red, brown and then green. And down here I have like the bigger bags, and these are the extensions that I got that I still have to take pictures. And here I have even here I have stuffs for my collaborations that I still have to take pictures. Here I have my pajamas. I don't really have a lot of pajamas. I need to buy some. And here I have the stuffs that I'm selling. I have to pack them. I put them here, so I'm gonna remember to put them on the bags. And here I have bags, shoes that I don't use that much. To save space again, I decided to put dishes that I usually use in 2 shelves. These shelves, I got them on IKEA for 10 euro each, I think. And in one shelf, I put 6 pairs of shoes, and here 6 pairs of boots. And here I have my necklaces, my earrings, and this one my tita gave it to me, my auntie, so I don't really know where did she get that. And these 3 containers, I got them on Primark for 6-7 euro, I think, if I'm not wrong. And I have my hair stuffs. Wait, I'm gonna show you. I have my hair bands. And yeah. And this one, it's a light. My girlfriend gave it to me. It's really cool, but I don't know. It's really, I don't know if, yeah, it's a little bit low, but that's why there's not too much light. And this box, I got it from my dad's work, and it's like a painting stuff container, a painting container, but I think I'm gonna use it for my earrings or other stuffs, but I have to clean it and I have to put like papers, so it's gonna look better. So up here I have my lingerie stuffs, but I'm not gonna show you. And here I have the makeup that I didn't use yet, some lashes, earrings, and some boxes that I got from collaborations. And here I have some masks, some perfumes. If you're Filipino, you're gonna know what kind of perfumes are these, because they're pretty famous in the Philippines. You're gonna smell like a baby if you use them. And here I have my cardigans, sweaters, my dresses, and here I have my skirts. And in this space, I put my ring light and my tripod. And here I have this chair that I didn't show you before because I was showing you my closet. So I got this chair from my dad's work, and even this kit basket. And this pillow, my boyfriend gave it to me. And a blanket. And here I put the bags that I usually use when I go out. So the video is done, and I hope you liked it. I hope you can like, comment, and subscribe on my channel, so you can also see when I'm gonna decorate my wall and my whole bedroom, because it's not done yet. So see you next time. Bye bye, stay safe.